how to set up shipping on TikTok Shop. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, you will first have to add the warehouse. So just simply add the warehouse, provide the name of your warehouse, the contact information and the address. After that, you need to create a shipping template, and for that you would be able to see the options at the left hand side panel of your TikTok Shop. Simply click on shipping template, and over there you would be able to find the option of create at the top right hand side corner. Simply click on create, and after that you need to select the default express shipping, and after that you need to just hit OK. After that, you need to provide the name of your warehouse, then you need to select the warehouse that you are going to use, and also you need to select the rate model. After that, you need to select the type of shipping that you are going to use, then select the location of your shipping. You can select all the locations except some like Hawaii or Alaska, and after that you can set the shipping price. Now you need to save this information, and this way you would be able to create your shipping template. Now you would need to click on the option of shipping options, and after that you would see a good amount of shipping options available to you. You can use UPS or the FedEx or the TikTok Shop ones. You can use any of them according to your needs and requirements, and this way you would be able to set up the shipping for your TikTok Shop. All you have to do after that is that you have to print the labels of the product and paste them on the product, and that's way you would be quite set for that particular shipping. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.